everyone. In this class we are going to prove a theorem. That theorem is the statement of this theorem says that if beta is a reparameterization of alpha by h, then beta dash of s is equals to dh by ds of s into alpha dash of h of s. Okay, so beta ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, beta is a reparameterization of alpha by h ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ? ಸೊ beta dash of s is equals to this one ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, now look here, the proof is, so if alpha can be represented as alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3, now then beta of s we know that so from the hypothesis they given that beta is a reparameterization of alpha by h, then we write beta of s is equals to alpha of h of s. Now again this can be represented as alpha 1 into h of s comma alpha 2 into h of s comma alpha 3 into h of s. By using the chain rule, look here, we consider the two functions f and g that can be represented as g of f old dash can be represented as g dash of f into f dash by using the chain rule. Similarly, we apply the chain rule for the function h1 of alpha 1 of h of s old dash. This is, so we write that as alpha 1 of h of s old dash. So this can be represented as, by using the chain rule, we have to write this as alpha 1 dash of h of s into h dash of s. Okay, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? Now by using the same chain rule we have to prove this equation. Okay, so we know that, so beta can be represented, beta of s is equals to this one. Now differentiate this one, so then we get beta dash of s is equals to, observe here, so by the definition of velocity this is beta dash of s is equals to alpha of h of s. So this can also be, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, alpha of h of s old dash, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, alpha of h of s old dash. Again by using the chain rule, so this can be represented as alpha 1 dash of h of s into h dash of s into alpha 2 dash of h of s into h dash of s comma alpha 3 dash h of s into h dash of s. Okay, look here, h dash of s is common, we take it outside, and the remaining is alpha 1 dash of h of s comma alpha 2 dash of h of s comma alpha 3 dash of h of s. Now we write that as alpha dash of h of s. Okay, now observe here, this can also be represented as, so h dash of s can be represented as dh by ds, derivative of h with respect to s of s into alpha dash of h of s. Okay, so hence the proof simple ide. Okay na? Similarly, next we move on to the another theorem. Okay, look here, so here the statement says that let alpha be a curve in R3 and f be a differentiable function on R3. So then alpha dash of t of f equals, so derivative of f of alpha with respect to t of t. Okay, this is your assignment theorem. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ DG ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಬರೋದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನೋಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ನಾ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. DG ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇದು. Okay, so now let's start to solve a problem. Look here, so the problem is let alpha of t equals t comma 1 plus t square comma t be a given curve with alpha of 0 equals p and alpha dash of 0 equals v and the function f equals x square minus y square plus z square. So here we compute vp of f. Okay, now look here, the solution is, we know that vp of f equals summation vi into del f by del xi of p. Okay, now this can be represented as v1 into del f by del xi at a point p plus v2 into del f by del x2 of p plus v3 into del f by del x3 of p. First we have to consider alpha of t, so that is alpha of t equals t comma 1 plus t square comma t. Okay, now look here, so from the hypothesis of the problem they given that alpha of 0 is equals to p. Okay, alpha of 0 is equals to p. So alpha of 0 at t equals 0, then this one will become 0 comma 1 comma 0. So this can be represented as p1, p2 and p3. Similarly, again differentiation of alpha of t with respect to t, we get alpha dash of t, which is equals to 1. Differentiation of this one, we get t 2 into t. Then differentiation of this one, we get 1. Okay, so we know that alpha dash of 0 is equals to v. That means alpha dash of 0 to t is equals to 0. Then this will becomes 1 comma 0 comma 1. So this value is equals to v. V can be represented v1 comma v2 comma v3. Okay, now here we consider the function. The function equals x square minus y square plus z square. First we have to find out, so differentiation of f with respect to x. So differentiate this one with respect to x, we get 2x. Okay, so this at a point p, this can be represented as, so at a point p, p1 is equals to 0. So we get del f by del x of p is equals to 0. This is x1 or x. Okay, similarly again differentiate f with respect to y, we get minus 2y. Again we apply this point p1, p2, p3. So here p2 value is 1, so we get del f by del y at a point p is equals to minus 2. Similarly differentiate a function f with respect to z, we get 2z. Again at a point p, we get del f by del z value is equals to 0. Okay, so we know that vp of f is equals to summation of this one. So now this summation, we expand this summation, we get v1 into del f by del x or x1 of p1 plus v2 into del f by del y1 of p2 plus v3 into del f by del z1 or del z of p3. We already know about the values of del f by del x1, del f by del y1, del f by del z1 and v1, v2, v3. Substitute all these values, these values and these v1, v2 and v3 values. Then finally we get the value vp of f is equals to, so minus 2 into 0 means 0. So therefore vp of f is equals to 0. Problem simple ಇದೆ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.